Hello there and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. And thank you very much for your inquiry on this absolutely stunning bit of German engineering that we have just brought into stock. So this vehicle is a Porsche Cayenne 3-litre V6 E hybrid. It's finished in the Porsche Black paintwork and it's complemented perfectly with a full black smooth finish leather upholstery. Now this vehicle comes to us having only covered 8,298 miles. It's in absolutely stunning condition and has a superb list of specification, which I'd certainly like to take you through on this video. So starting with some of the items on the exterior, we have first and foremost a panoramic electric sliding and tilting sunroof with an electric blind, and we'll be able to see that in all of its glory when we head inside the vehicle. We also have the 21-inch RS Spyder design alloy wheels, filling those wheel arches out absolutely perfectly, and of course in keeping with all of that exterior styling. Now we also have the PDLS, which is the LED headlights with a Porsche dynamic light system. And keeping with the gloss black theme, we also have the side window trims in the high gloss black finish, which is the weather strip right around the window. Matching that with those roof rails in the high gloss black, and of course that privacy glass from the B pillar backwards, finishing all of that exterior styling off incredibly well. Now we also have, which will be very distinctive after dark, the Porsche Logo LED door mirror courtesy lights, and also ambient lighting for the interior of the vehicle, which will certainly all come to life after dark. Now as we head inside the vehicle is where that list of specification continues. So coming into the driver's side, first thing that we're going to notice in here is that full black leather upholstery in the smooth finish. Certainly worth mentioning, we have the Porsche Crest, which has been embossed into the front and the rear headrests. Now on the side of the seats, this is for driver and passenger. We have a 14-way comfort seat package, which for driver and passenger also has the 3-stage memory positions to save to. We also have heated front and rear seats in this car, and a heated steering wheel to keep all extremities warm. A heated windscreen with the current weather is certainly very helpful. And we also have a full Bose Surround Sound system, a 7.2 kilowatt onboard AC charger with mobile charger connect, the ambient lighting mentioned earlier, which I say will certainly come to life after dark, power steering plus, and various other items such as the satellite navigation, reversing camera, front and rear sensors, plus much more. Now the quality and the condition, exterior and interior on this vehicle is second to none, I can assure you. And for the rear seat passenger comfort is where we find separate ventilation back here, their heated seat controls, various power supplies and connections lower down. Very nice place to be in the rear of this vehicle. So yes, we are incredibly proud to be bringing this vehicle to market, and I do hope you find this video informative. If there's any details that we have missed, please do get in touch and we'll happily provide you with another personal video or get those details to you over the telephone. Now here at AMT Specialist Cars, we like to look after each and every customer and provide a very well-rounded service all under one roof. So should you have any funding requirements, please do have a word with us and we can contact our panel of lenders and search to get you the very best deal. Now, for any vehicle that is outside of its manufacturer's warranty, as we can see from the banner in the background, we have our partners at WarrantyWise, who are able to assist with up to 3 years worth of market-leading aftermarket warranties. And last but certainly not least, if you'd like to keep your vehicle looking as you see here, we have our professionals on hand available to apply AutoGlim's Life Shine, which is liquid carbon technology designed to bond with the paintwork on the vehicle. Also, the exterior glass is treated, and on the interior of the car, be that leather upholstery or cloth, all gets treated in the same way by our professionals. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. We'll be in touch very shortly with some calculations. Bye for now.